Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Harvest Reaper event in Garden Ghoul Garden Update Part 3 and summon the Severed Spine. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Garden game on Roblox. And then if you want to join the Harvest Reaper event, you can go to this area. And this is the Harvest Reaper. Okay, and I'm going to view the Severed Spine. Okay, after you complete the Harvest Reaper mission, you will summon the Severed Spine. Okay, and then here you just need to submit the required fruit. For example, here I need to submit the chicken feet. So I'm going to go to my inventory and I'm going to search chicken feet. Okay, and I'm going to submit. Okay, and you will be rewarded 50 candy corn from submitting the required fruit. Okay, and yeah, you just need to submit the required fruit and strawberry. I think I don't have strawberry, so let's just submit the jack-o'-lantern. And if you want to get the oops, I don't have as well. I don't have it guys. I don't have either. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to harvest my jack-o'-lantern here. And to make it faster guys, you can work with your friend so you can get the reward faster. And I'm going to submit my corn. Just click on submit and submit. Oops. Oh my god. Corn is not here. Corn is here. Okay, and yeah, you just need to submit all the required fruits, and after that you will summon the severed spine. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.